Hi and welcome to this tutorial. In this video we will download and install IntelliJ IDEA IDE. But why do we need to install IntelliJ IDEA? Well, IntelliJ IDEA is an IDE which can be used for Java development, which can be used for Kotlin development as well. And that's why we are going to download and install IntelliJ IDEA. So just pull up in your browser and go to Google and search for IntelliJ IDEA and just click on that, and then click on this first link, which is from jetbrains.com/idea. Of course, JetBrains is the company which is responsible for IntelliJ IDEA, and this company is also responsible for building Android Studio, which is an IDE for Android development, which we will be learning on later on. Now you can see that IntelliJ IDEA is an IDE which can be used for Java, which can be used for Kotlin, Scala, Groovy, and a lot of other things. But what we want to do right now is to download this IDE. So just click on download and then click on this download button, okay, and it will start the download process. I'm not going to download it because I have already downloaded it in my computer, so I will just cancel it. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click on this file right here which I have downloaded. So just click on that, and if you are using Windows, then the process is also very simple. You can double click on that exe file, and then you can click on next and install, and it will install it on your computer. But I'm using Mac, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna drag this to the application folder, and it will install it right here, and it will of course take a lot of time. Okay, so give it some time. Now we can open IntelliJ IDEA IDE because we have successfully installed it. So just click on that and open your IntelliJ IDEA IDE, and it will verify the IntelliJ IDEA because it is downloaded from the internet, and then click on open because we know it is a safe file. And we can close this window right now. We can also close this window because we have installed it. And yes, I don't want to import any settings, so I will just click on OK after selecting this option. I will quickly read these terms and condition, and I will fast forward it. And now click on accept. Yes, I want the dark theme because the light theme will hurt my eyes. So just click on next. Yes, everything just fine. Click on next, and then click on next. Click on next. We don't want any of these things, so just click on next and start IntelliJ IDEA Community Edition. Alright, we have successfully installed IntelliJ IDEA, and that's going to be it from me for today's video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.